Greetings students. In this module, we will discuss last of the numericals in the NCERT exercise of chapter 12, electricity. So, these are the last four numericals of electricity chapter 12. So, we will do them one by one. So, first numerical is, again we will follow the same method, what is given and what we have to find. So, before writing here, first we will read the statement. So a hot plate of electric oven, एक इलेक्ट्रिक ओवन है, उसके अंदर हॉट प्लेट्स हैं, connected to a 220 volt line. So potential difference is 220 volt and has two resistance coil A and B, each of 24 ohm. एक coil A है, एक coil B है और हर एक की रेजिस्टेंस क्या है? 24 ohm. Means RA and RB. These are the two coils and each have equal resistance which is 24 ohm. These two coils may be used separately, अलग अलग भी, जब हमारा मन करेगा एक चलाएंगे या दो चलाएंगे, so which may be used separately, एक एक करके भी यूज कर सकते हैं, either in series, दोनों को एक साथ यूज कर सकते हैं, in parallel, both resistor in the parallel. So what are the current in these three cases? So they are asking कि हमारे पास दो रेजिस्टेंस हैं A and B, which can be either used separately, अलग अलग यूज कर सकते हैं, in series we can use it, in parallel we can use it. So we have to calculate current in each and every case. So how we can calculate? So first case is, let's assume we are using them separately. If we are using them separately, so at one time we are using the first coil. So by applying the Ohm's law, which is V is equal to IR, what we have to calculate? I. So I is equal to V by R. So I is equal to, what is the potential difference? 220 volt. R, why I am writing only R? You can write RA, or for the second one V is equal to IA and IB is equal to RB. Now RA and RB both are same, that is why I am directly solving from both the cases. So 220 divided by 24, it will be 9.2 ampere. So I hope separately it's clear to everyone कि दो कोयल हैं, दोनों की रेजिस्टेंस सेम है, तो इसलिए दोनों की, आप दोनों को अलग अलग सोल्व करोगे, the solution will remain same. 220 by 24, 220 by 24, the result will be 9.2 ampere. Second case is when we are using them in series, means both coils we are using them in series. In series means RA and RB, they are in series. So according to law of combination of resistor in series, total resistance is equal to RA plus RB, means 24 plus 24, 48 ohm. Means when they are used in series, the total resistance will be 48 ohm. Now again we will apply the Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. So I, resistance in series, that is why I have written RS. I is equal to V by RS. I 220 by 48, it will be 4.6 ampere when they are connected in series. The third case is when they are connected in parallel. So for parallel, first we have to calculate the equivalent resistance in parallel, and which is equal to 1 by RP is equal to 1 by RA plus 1 by RB, which is equal to 1 by 24 plus 1 by 24, that will be 2 by 24 upon solving 1 by 12. So उल्टा करेंगे इसको हम, तो RP की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 12 ohm. Now we will again use the Ohm's law. V is equal to IRP, resistance or resistor in parallel. I is equal to V by RP, 220 by 12. So by dividing this, you will get 18.3 एम्पियर. So that's how we can solve the first numerical. एक hot plate है in which two resistors are there. Resistor और resistance कोई नहीं तो क्या करेगी? It will produce heat. Each have value 24 ohm, which may be used separately, in series and in parallel. So we have calculated for separately when they are used separately, when they are in series, and when they are in parallel. So I hope this numerical is clear to everyone. Now we will solve the second numerical that was also in the CBSE 2019. Okay, the CBSE 29 का जो main exam 19 का main exam था, in that question paper you can find this numerical. So the saying is that the question paper will come from the NCERT. So you can find here, this is the NCERT, these are the NCERT exercise questions and they are in CBSE main exam. So now we will solve the second numerical. So again, what is given and what we have to find out. So compare the power. We have to compare the power used in 2 ohm resistor in each of the following circuit. कि दो सर्किट हैं, उन दोनों सर्किट में जो 2 ohm का रजिस्टर है वो कितनी पावर कंज्यूम कर रहा है, उसको दोनों को हमको क्या करना है, कंपेयर करना है. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट सर्किट? A 6 volt battery in series with 1 ohm and 2 ohm resistor. A 4 volt battery in parallel with 12 ohm and 2 ohm resistor. तो दोनों का नहीं निकालना है हमको, दोनों केस में जो 2 ohm वाला रजिस्टर है उसके बारे में कैलकुलेट करना है. So we will start with the first case. So for the first case, V is 6 volt and they are connected in series with R1 and R2. R1 is 1 ohm, R2 is 2 ohm. I am drawing a rough circuit here so that you will remember the laws. I is the current that is flowing through the circuit. Okay, this is R1, this is R2. R1 is 1 ohm, this is the 2 ohm. So we have to calculate power in case of 2 ohm resistor. So how we can calculate? So the one of the formula to calculate power is I square R. So power is equal to I square R. So power we have to calculate कि power हमको इसमें calculate करनी है. Resistance we have. Now the main thing is the I. Current is not given in this circuit. But what is this series? What is this combination? It is a series combination. The current will remain same throughout the circuit. The value of I will not change. So according to the Ohm's law, by following the Ohm's law, we will calculate the value of I. V is equal to IR, क्योंकि current की value जो है वो same रहने वाली है. Now there are two resistors and both of them are connected in series. So total resistance will be first resistance plus second resistance will be equal to 3 ohm. So total resistance of this circuit is 3 ohm. So V is given as per the statement 6 volt in the first case. I that we want to calculate RS, क्योंकि सीरीज में है दोनों तो 1 plus 2 कितना हो गया 3. So I will be equal to 2 ampere. But we have to compare the power. So power is equal to I square R. Now they are specifically asking for 2 ohm. So यहाँ पे हम R की जगह पे क्या रखेंगे? The second one which is R2, क्योंकि R2 ही हमारा क्या है 2 ohm. So power और current तो सेम ही रहने वाला है. What is the value of current? That we have already calculated 2. So 2 square, so 2 into 2 into what is the value of R2? 2. That will be 8 watt. So P1 is 8 watt. So I hope this is clear to everyone. क्योंकि वो सीरीज में थे तो हमने क्या किया, 1 और 2 को ऐड किया, टोटल करंट निकाला हमने सर्किट में से. आफ्टर कैलकुलेटिंग द टोटल करंट वी यूज दिस फॉर्मूला ऑफ पावर I स्क्वायर R. तो I की वैल्यू हमने कैलकुलेट की, दैट इज 2 into 2 स्क्वायर. और कौन से की निकालनी थी? सिर्फ R2 की. तो R2 जो है वो कितनी पावर कंज्यूम कर रहा है? 8 वॉट. सेकेंड केस जो है वो हमारा क्या है? नाउ द पोटेंशियल इज 4 वोल्ट. R1 R2. R1 and R2 are, R1 is 12 ohm and R2 is 2 ohm. तो सेम हमको R2 के ऊपर पावर कैलकुलेट करनी है. बट इफ यू Rather than following this formula, we can use the other formula. Why? Because they are connected in पैरेलल. तो या तो हम क्या करें, R1 और R2, this is 12 ohm, this is 2 ohm. So either we calculate, क्योंकि करंट यहाँ से जाएगा, it will be divided into two part, I1 and I2. So either first we calculate the value of I2. So rather than calculating the value of I2, so that we can calculate the value of power, we can simply use the basics of parallel combination. In what is potential given? 4 volt. So potential difference remains same throughout the parallel. तो यहाँ पे भी potential difference क्या है? 4. यहाँ पे भी potential difference क्या है? 4. So but directly using P is equal to P2 is equal to V square R2 क्योंकि हमको वहाँ पे उसने क्या बोला है? We have to calculate on 2 ohm. So what is the value of V2? 4 volt. So V2 square 4 into 4. And what is the value of R2? 2. 8 watt. So in P1 is equal to 8 watt, P2 is equal to 8 watt, and we have to compare. The comparison means P1 ratio P2. So P1 by P2 is equal to 8 by 8, which is equal to 1. So that's how we can compare the power used in 2 ohm resistor in each of the following circuit. So I hope this numerical is clear to everyone. So next is numerical number 3. So in numerical number 3, what is given? There are two lamps, one rated 100 watt, second rated 60 watt, and their potential difference value is also given. So two lamps, one rated 100 watt, दो बल्ब है हमारे पास, लैंप है, एक की पावर कितनी 100 वोट और पोटेंशियल कितनी चाहिए 220 वोट. अदर इज 60 वोट and the potential is 220 watt, are connected in parallel to electric main supply. What current is drawn from the line if the supply voltage is 220 volt? So we will write what is given. Two lamps. So first lamp is P1, power is given 100 watt and potential is 220 volt. You can write V1 P2 V2, and the second is 60 watt. The potential remains same 220 volt, and they are connected in parallel to electric main supply. What current is drawn? So we have to calculate the total current drawn from the line, और total potential कितनी दे रखी है हमारे को 220 volt. तो V is equal to IR. R क्या है? R is the total resistance of lamp connected in parallel. So but we don't have the value of R. What is given? Power is given. So by using the formula of power, P1 is equal to V square by R1. So R1 is equal to V square by P1. So R1 is equal to 220 into 220. V is given 220 and the power is 100. So I think 484 ohm. So that's how we can calculate for the first one. Resistance of first lamp is 484 ohm. Similarly, we can calculate for the second case. P2 is equal to V square by R2. So R2 को हम ऊपर ले आएंगे तो R2 is equal to V2 by V square by P2. V क्या है? सेम 220 into 220. सेकेंड की पावर कितनी गिवन है? 60. So second resistance that you can calculate is 220 into 220 by 60. After solving you will get 806.7 ohm. So now we have both the value R1 and R2, but here what we need? Total resistance, and from this part we can see Here is the question. From this part we can see both of them are connected in parallel. So how we can calculate for the parallel? Total resistance 1 by Rp, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. R1 is 484 ohm, R2 is 806 ohm. By putting these values and after solving them, you will get total resistance 302.6 ohm. So I hope you can solve this part कि R2 की जगह पे 806, R1 की जगह पे 484. By solving this, you will get the total resistance 302.6. Now we will use this particular Ohm's law. So by using the particular Ohm's law, which is V is equal to IR. V is 220, and what current? Current we have to calculate. In place of total resistance, you can write 302.6. So I is equal to 220 divided by 302.6, and the value of I that you will get after solving this, I is equal to 0.73 ampere. So this is the solution for third numerical. कि दो लेंथ हैं, दोनों की पावर गिवन है, तो दोनों की पावर से हमने क्या कैलकुलेट कर ली? रेजिस्टेंस. और उन्होंने बोला है कि हमारे जो बल्ब्स हैं वो कैसे कनेक्टेड हैं? दे आर कनेक्टेड इन द पैरेलल. सो वी कैलकुलेटेड द टोटल रेजिस्टेंस इन पैरेलल एंड देन वी यूज द ओम्स लॉ फॉर द टोटल इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट. So this is the solution of third question. Now we will solve the next numerical, which is numerical number 4. This is simpler one in comparison to these numerical number 1, 2 and 3. So again we will use the same pattern. What is given, what we have to find out. So question number 4, which use more energy? So it is a comparison between two, a TV and a toaster. A 250 watt TV. So power of TV is given. I am taking TV as 250 watt, and the time is given 1 hour. So we have to calculate the how much energy they are consuming. The formula for energy is power into time. You already know P is equal to W by T or P is equal to E by T. So E is equal to P into T. So what is the power? 250. It's better we can convert that into kilowatt. So divide 250 watt by 1000, you will get kilowatt, and the time is already given in hours. So it will be 0.25 kilowatt hour. Second, for the toaster, the power of toaster is given 1200 watt and used for time T2, it is used for 10 minutes. So again energy is equal to power into time. Power is 1200, divide that by 1000, time is in minute, converted into second. So it will be 0.20 kilowatt hour. So as you can simply see, TV which is of 250 watt, if it is used for 1 hour, it is consuming more energy in comparison to a toaster of 1200 watt which is used for 10 minutes. So that's how we can compare. This question generally comes in 2 marks. This is the comparison question, and these question generally comes in the 3 marks. So as you can see, question number 2 and 3, they were already in the CBSE 2018 and 19 main question paper. So that's how we can solve the numericals of NCERT exercise. So most of the numerical have been covered in these modules for the NCERT exercise. If one or two numerical is left, that is why if one of the two numerical is left, means they have already been covered, or they are simplest of all numerical, which you have to just put this value into the formula and you can find the answer. So this is what all about the numericals given in the NCERT in-text NCERT exercise. So thank you students.